Hello, my name is Brad with AZ Irrigation Maintenance. Just wanted to tell you a little bit more about our fertilization and weed control program for lawns. Most of the applications, there's 6 rounds. Most of them will go down every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. And we cater the nitrogen levels to the appropriate time of year. So in the spring, it's kind of heavy on nitrogen, and it kind of backs off a little bit, and then the last application is in October is the heaviest one to help those roots kind of grow down deep into the soil and get ready to go dormant. And then we also add a biostimulant that increases the nutrient uptake of your lawn and increases oxygen in the ground, and it helps your lawn during the stress, the heat, and maybe low water, or just the irrigation water, because the rainwater is way better for your lawn. But this biostimulant is really an amazing product to complement any fertilization program you have. Alright, so I want to make a few other videos. Check out the other videos that have more information on it. That was just the basics. Thank you. Bye.